Good afternoon, one and all. So now we are going to see about the research problem and the question. What are the questions and how to statement of problem, how to make. Okay, meaning of the research problem is in that in general it refers to some difficult situation. The researchers have to be context on the context of either theoretical or practical experience. It is such a difficult situation. Okay, then what are all the components of the research problem? There must be a subject who had difficulty on the problem. There must be some objectives to be attained. Okay, here there is a most alternative means of or different way to obtaining the objectives. Okay, so the next one is the effective and efficient use of possible alternatives. There must be some environment, that is a situations, that is a setting. We can tell in the researches setting we can tell. Okay, so these are all the things like a 5 problems, 5 statement of problem. That is these are all the things we should be remember. That is components. What are the components are there? Okay, in that components there must be a subject. Subject means what topic you are going to take. Okay, that is a subject. Second one is some objectives. What do you mean? What you are going to achieve in the community as well in the hospital or where you are taking the setting. Okay, in the setting up what you are going to achieve, that is objectives we can tell. Then there must be a different opinion. Different opinion means variables. That is a different variables how you are going to convince and how you are going to do. There is a efficient possible alternatives. Now if you are taking the study is not effective, so what is the alternative for that particular study, particular subject? Okay, so example we can tell like this one, epilepsy. So epilepsy, when we are taking epilepsy, so you are going to assess the knowledge of community people. So in that community people, if they know, some of the people they know, some of the people they don't know. So depends upon how you are going to assess. If they don't know anything, so you are going to assess well, and you can give that pre-test or afterwards you can give the post-test also. And that in that post-test, what is the evaluation? That is we are calling as the efficient use of possible alternatives. So if we are taking all this, so even though they are not understanding, so you have to use the another way. Whether you are taking the which media of taking the which media you are using the as a tool. Okay, so that is we are calling as a efficient use of possible alternatives. There must be some environment, that is we are calling as a setting. Okay, some environment means which area you are going to take, whether you are going to take in the hospital, whether you are going to take in the community, whether you are going to take in the under 5 children, or which setting you are taking and which place. Here they didn't give any point. So next one is that is where you are going to take, which area you are going to take, whether you are taking in Jalali village or otherwise your native place or any other place, which place you are going to take. That is we can call it as a environment, that is a setting. Okay, selection and identifying the research problem. How we have to select the problem statement, how we can select the problem. So now you know that COVID-19. So COVID-19 is all over, that is a pandemic disease condition. So in that pandemic conditions, what are all the things we have to do it? So like some of the people very much interested on the children, under 5 children, those who are having the children will have that accidental crisis will be more, the high risk for getting accident, or the children those who are eating that this one, what else, non-nutritive things. So that is also one of the subject. So same thing like a different ways of subjects are there. So school going children temper tantrum, and for the college children they are having difficulties in studies, and those who are working in IT field they are having that problem with the computer, in a computerized syndrome, and like that we are having the problem. So depends upon in which area. If you are taking to the Whitefield or ITPL, in that areas the maximum people are working in the IT field like information technology. So in that information technology, the people those are working on the computer, so leads to the persons will be having that computer for long time using of computer leads to some syndrome. So that is we can take. So depends upon where the risk factors are more, so there we can take the subject. Clear? I hope so. Okay, so that is we are calling as a selection and identifying the problem. So if we are going to the PSC, so there a lot of people, they are coming, pregnant mother, they are coming with the condition of anemia. So if you are assessing per day around 5 to 6 members they are coming, means it is a high risk for getting anemia. You are planning to give some anemia program, okay, for assessing the mother, that is how many members are having that anemia and what remedy you are going to take. So according to that we have to select and identify the research problem. So these are all the two I gave some example, so you have to assess according to that. Okay, so next one is following point to be observed by a researcher, identify the research problem. Okay, how to identify the research problem? Problem should be